Yes, we are live. Okay. Hello. I doubt anyone is watching right now, but we're going to be doing just a mixture of Scratch tutorials in this live stream. So let's go ahead and get started. And you can also put in the live chat any requests you have. But I'm going to start off with, let's see here. Why not a DVD screensaver? Sure. Why not? So let's go ahead and make that. Okay, so what you are going to do is go ahead and find you a DVD screensaver look or make your own. I already have one pulled up here, but you probably don't, because seriously, who would just have a random one? But then, let's add some code. First off, go ahead and make it smaller, because we do not need it to be that big, or that small as a matter of fact. Yeah, that's good size. And then, put it up in that corner-ish, and then when green flag clicked, make it go there. Then also, be sure to set its rotation style to do not rotate, or else it will look all crazy. And then, go ahead and have it point in direction, like, make it be going down that way. So let's get that, like, just like down, yeah, there. And then, forever, move however many steps you want. I'm going to go with like 5. And then add an if touching edge, then change color effect by 25. And then underneath that if on edge bounce. And then boom, that is actually it. You could have a black drop if you wanted. But yeah, there's that. So yay, the first thing is done. So that is pretty good. So let's go ahead and do another one, I guess. I do not see why not. But first, watch this just bounce around. Okay, yeah, that's enough bouncing around. So, no one is still watching this, unfortunately, but we can go ahead and do the next one for all the people who will be watching this when it becomes a video. Let's see here. We could do, like a jumpy game. That's fun. Sure. Okay then, so we will be using the kitty cat, sure. Make it like 50% of its actual size. Then put it like right there. Go ahead and like paint a new sprite. Make this just the floor. Doesn't have to be fancy or anything. Oh yeah, by the way, just comment. Let's see, what will you comment? Comment bananas for a shout out. Bananas will be it today. Yeah, there's the floor. Make it go to 0, 0 real quick. And then find the kitty cat a good spot to like just sit on top. There we are. And now let's add the code for it. So, what you'll do here is when green flag clicked, it will go to where it is right now. Not in that, in the cat. So when the flag is clicked, it will go to there. And then, forever, change y by -1. But make a custom block actually, and call it check ground, and make sure to hit run without screen refresh. And then add the change y by -1. If else, if touching sprite 2, which is the ground, then if it is touching that, then it'll make it go back up 1, so change y by 1. But otherwise, nothing. So actually that can just be an if. And yeah, so now for the next bit, of code, what we can do is forever, you'll do the check ground, and then if, and then instead of that, another if. Inside the first one, if key space pressed, which is how we're going to jump. And then inside the other one, if touching sprite 2, which is the ground. Then it will repeat, say like 15 times, change y by 1, by 2 actually, and then do the check ground. And then let's just go ahead and test that. So are we actually touching the sprite 2? No, we are not. That is an issue. But now, yes, we are. So now if we go space, yes. Then here, actually here, if else, if touching sprite 2, it'll, if, yeah, so here, else will change y by -1. So that will make it so that it actually can jump, but that needs to jump a bit higher. So yeah, good. Now he can jump. So, now what we need is to get the things that he's going to have to jump over. So, let's go ahead and make a new sprite, paint it, and then make like a, let's see, we could do a reddish, ooh yeah, that looks cool. And then like that, yeah. And then make a few variants, make sure they're small enough so the cat can jump over them. And like make a few different types, like this one will be like skinnier but a bit taller, like so on and so on. But also make sure to put them like right there in the middle. For reasons I'll be shown soon. Actually, no, don't do what I just said. Put them like right there, so that their base is like right there. Okay, so now find a spot where it's like right there. So that Y is what we want. And also, if you want, you can just go ahead and comment something in the live chat if you're watching this. I doubt anyone is, and I will follow you in Scratch. So then, when green flag clicked, what it's going to do is it is going to hide, because you'll be using clones to make the obstacles, and then go to these coordinates, the ones where you put them there, and then forever switch costume to pick random 1 to 2, but actually name the costumes 2 and 1, so that will actually work. And then you can go ahead and add that operator. Pick random 1 through 2. And then create clone of myself. And then you can wait, pick random, let's go like 4 to 7 seconds. And now it's time to add some code for when it starts as a clone. So when I start as a clone, go ahead and show it, because it wants to be seen. And then glide. This is the speed that we'll want it to go. So how long will we want it to take for it to go to there to there? So let's go ahead and say, like, we could do 5. And then just invert that to be like right past the kitty cat. So like 140. And so now if we go, that's the Y. We need it to be the X, so like 240, yes. So now if we go, negative 240, yes. So now, you can see we can actually have it run it towards, and then we can try to jump over it. We don't jump high enough. Okay, that's noted. But you see, they're all the same costume. Why is that? Never mind. It's just we were getting very lucky. Actually, I don't know if that's lucky or unlucky. But anyway, we will want to change that. So let's go like, we need to make it go up faster, or down faster. So let's make that like -2. But it doesn't go up very smooth. So to fix that, you can like change that to be like 7, then double that. So that it actually like gives it a bit of a chance to actually be able to dodge it. Okay, so now what we will want to add is he actually needs to jump higher than that. Yes, he does. So let's make that like 12. Yes. Okay, so now, actually, the issue has been we just need to make that like 3 seconds. And then lower this to like be big random 2 to like 5. Good. So. But now, right here, under this, after they finish gliding, they will delete that clone. So that's good. We're almost done here. we just need to add this. So now, underneath all this, make another, actually, when green flag clicked block. And then just forever, if touching color, not color actually. Wait, no, this needs to be in this. So then also make another when I start as clone. Forever. If touching sprite 1, then it will stop all because you have lost. Okay, good. So now we can play this. Oh, there we go. So we died. He does not want to jump, does he? Why does he not want to jump? No, I just was not clicking space. That's why. Ooh. Okay, so ready for the next thing? Okay, doke. So let's do the next thing. What should we do this time? We could do a... We could do... Why not? I know. Okay. So... Yeah, actually, I don't know. It doesn't look like... Let's just cue the outro music. Sorry, guys.